Online slots are among the most popular casino games on the internet. You can find slots about almost anything: movies, music, animals, pop culture, you name it. The colorful lights, entertaining music, and attractive themes are what make them a casino favorite. You just need to pick a game, select your lines and bets, spin, and win. The simplicity of the game makes it seem like it could be easy to win, but don't underestimate slot machines. While there is no fail-proof strategy to play slots, there are several tips you can follow to help increase your chances of hitting the jackpot. In this video, we'll give you some of the tips we use when playing at online slot machines. Online slot games use random number generators and computer algorithms. This means that every time you spin the reels, the outcome will be one out of billions of probabilities. There's no human way to try to calculate the results. So if you think that after a couple of losses, a jackpot will follow, think again. If you're in a losing streak, the best thing you can do is move to another slot game. Practice makes perfect, and online slots are not the exception. The best way to learn and get good at it is by practicing. Almost every online slot game has a free play version. Try it out and get a good feel for the game first without risking your money. Casino sites like Cafe Casino offer slots in practice mode that you can play without an account. Search for a game, practice, and learn how to win before betting real money. You can try an online slot without spending your money. Free spins and free chips are popular promotions offered by online casinos. Use the free cash from the casino by finding the right code before you start playing and take advantage of these fantastic benefits. You will find a link to some great free chips and free spin bonuses in the link on the description below. The RTP, or return to player of a game, is the percentage of the money you bet that the online slot gives you back over time. That means that if you bet $10 on a slot with a 96% RTP, the game will pay you $9.60. If you want to keep your money growing, search for slots with the highest RTP possible. Slots based on toys, movies, or TV shows can be very tempting for fans of those brands. Should you play them? Simply put, branded slots are marketing slots. These games are created to keep you playing for the brands, not for the winnings. You will usually see branded slots have very low minimum bets, but you will also find that it's tough to get a prize and you will rarely win. When you search for a game, keep an eye out on the pay table, the jackpot amount, the RTP, and the winning combinations instead of only looking at the theme or the name. Keeping control of your bankroll is the most important piece of advice we can give you. Online slots are a lot of fun, but if you don't take care of your money, you will end up burning through your funds very quickly. Before you start playing, define the maximum amount of money that you will spend and stick to that limit. Using an online slot strategy is a must for every casino player who wants to win. We recommend that you do your research first. Get familiar with the bets and the game by learning it and practicing before you play for real money. Following these recommendations will help you minimize the chances of losing your cash and increase your odds of hitting the jackpot. If you want to learn more about the benefits, best games, and the bonuses offered at casinos for online slots, visit our guide at Online United States Casinos. You can find the link in the description below. What is your favorite slot machine to play online? Let us know by leaving a comment. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video from Online United States Casinos.